Hi, ladies. All right, today is May 28th, and we are on page 75 in your packet today for your CGI lesson. All right, so Jada has some money. She earns $10.75, and now she has $20.31. How much did she start with? All right, so Jada has some money. She earns $10.75. Now she has $20.31. And we want to know how much money did she start with? All right, so how much money did she start with? So thinking back to some of the other lessons that we've done this week, so she earns some money, or she already has some money, and then she earns more money, and now she has an even larger amount of money. So how much money did she start with is going to, again, be that some money that she originally had to begin with. All right, so I want you to think, do we have our whole? If I have some money and I earn a little bit more and now I have $20.31, is this sum money going to be greater than or less than the $20.31 that now I have after I earn more? So think about what my units are and how I can utilize different operations using units that are identical. And then also thinking about if I know what my whole is, which is that $20.31, what operations can I use to find that missing part? So go ahead, continue working on your planning section, writing down those quantities and filling each section out. And once you have finished the entire page, go ahead and unpause and we can check your work together. All right, ladies. So Jada has some money. She earns $10.75 and now she has $20.31. How much did she start with? Okay, so we know that Jada has some money and we don't know what that amount is. Okay, but then she earns $10.75. So if she earns that money, we're going to be adding that to what we already know. And then after that, so after she already had some money and she earned some money, now she has a total of $20.31. Okay, so this is our whole. This is the amount of money that she has now. Okay, so after she had some money, earned some money, this is what she has now. So she has $20.31. So we don't know what she started with, but then she earned that $10.75. And these two amounts together gives us that entire amount of $20.31. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to get from $10.75 to $20.31, and that's going to be our difference. All right, so we're trying to find the difference between these two amounts to find this missing amount. So in order to find the difference, we're going to be subtracting. We're going to take that $20.31 and we're going to subtract $10.75. Make sure you line up your decimal. Okay, so I can't do 1 minus 5, so I'm going to be borrowing from the 3 to make that 1 into an 11. So this becomes a 2, this becomes 11. 11 minus 5 gives me 6. I can't do 2 minus 7, so I need to borrow, but I can't borrow from the 0, so I'm going to go all the way over to the 2, and that becomes a 1. And then this 0 is going to become a 9. And then this 2 becomes a 12. All right, so now we're going to take our we're going to take our 12 minus 7, which gives us 5, and our 9 minus 0, which gives us 9. So now we know that 1 minus 1 is nothing, so this is going to be that difference, but we want to double check and make sure that we're correct by doing the opposite operation, which is addition. So we want to take that $10.75 and add it with our $9.56 to check our work. Make sure you line up your decimal and your place values when you're doing this. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 9 plus 1 is 10. Bring down that decimal in between the 0 and the 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. And we are correct. Another way that you could check your work is if you wanted to take $20.31 and subtract it from $9.56, and you should get this amount as well. So we could try it that way as well if you wanted to subtract again to check your work. So I borrow from my 3 again, make that a 2. This becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. I can't do 2 minus 5. This 2 becomes a 1. This 9 becomes a 9. This 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then 1. So again, we are correct. So the amount of money that Jada started with is going to be $9.56. And that dollar sign is my unit. And then I can use any of my number sentences as my equation. I'm going to use this top one, which is $20.31 minus $10.75 equals $9.56. I just think that this one matches the number or the word problem the best and the closest. So this is the one that I chose to use. So at this point, just go back through, make sure that you've lined up all your decimals and that your work matches mine.